Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin where items most often hide, the last used rooms and common drop zones. Move methodically, scan tabletops, couch creases, and entryway baskets. Do a quick 30-second sweep on each surface. Once done, check pockets, purses, and the laundry hamper because people often stash things there unconsciously. Make sure to empty visible containers into a tray so you can view contents at once. This prevents repeated researching and gives you immediate hits early in the process. You now escalate to a thorough room-by-room sweep using a clockwise pattern so you cover every angle without missing corners. Open drawers and cabinets, lift cushions and rugs, peer behind and under furniture and appliances. Use a flashlight held low to reveal hidden edges and run hands through fabrics slowly. Feel is faster than sight for small items. Once done with a room, mark it off on a quick checklist or mentally note it so you don't backtrack and waste time retracing already cleared ground. You finish by gathering everything found into a single tray, testing or verifying important items immediately to confirm functionality. Once consolidated, think about recent activities, unusual routes you took, or visitors who may have moved things. Recheck those spaces. If the item remains missing, step away for 10 minutes, clear the area and rethink your pattern. Fresh perspective often reveals overlooked spots. As a troubleshooting tip, make sure you recheck the most obvious place last. Searching it again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.